Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on a quick snack idea. Now it's called a snack, but in all actuality, normally this is what I give the little ones with their lunches. But since they're home and they're running around and food is not their main priority, I go ahead and split it up so that instead I give them their vegetables, and then I give them their fruits, and then after that I give them their main course. Kind of split it up. If I give it to them all together, they're just gonna go for the main course, and they may not eat the fruits. So this is one of the fruits that we have, the fruit bag that I have. Well, here we have one apple, and then we have, and this is for 9 people. So I cut up. Basically, I did three, or no, I did 3 oranges, and then and they were small oranges. I did 3 oranges, 2 apples, 1 pear, and we had one, I think it's an 8 ounce can, or not can, but 1 ounce thing of blackberries. So anyway, I split it all up and I rationed it out so everyone could just be able to get some. Some got more depending on what they wanted, but I gave everyone at least one of everything. So right here I have a pear. No, I'm sorry. These two are pears. This right here is an apple, 2 oranges, and we have some blackberries there. Now I've already been eating some of it, and then I was like, oh yeah, I got a lunch or snack ideas. So anyway, you can do as much or as little as you want. The whole point is whoever you're giving it to, make sure you give them as much as you can that they will actually eat, because you don't want to have waste. So for the little ones, I after I prepared all of it, I didn't just mix it all together. I found out what everyone wanted in the house more of, and I kind of tailored it toward that. So for example, one of the little ones, he wanted a lot of apples. So he got a lot of apples, but he still got blackberries because I kind of want to have and with the gloves and the washing my hands a lot, I got to put more. My hands are terrible looking, so sorry about that. Yeah, I got to hydrate them more. So anyway, these are just some quick ideas that you can be able to feed your little ones. And as always, before I go, I always like to say, let's keep everyone in prayer and know that God is taking care of us and we're going to be okay. And I hope all is going well with everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.